What's up guys, Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the latest Hot Wheels Redline Club release. It is the 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline. Now, this has a chase counterpart. It's the second RLC chase. The first one was this Porsche 911 Turbo 3.3 Targa. I was lucky enough to actually pull the chase. I did a video on that a couple months back. These I have already opened up to see if I got a chase or not. So these arrived while I was out of town in Salinas this past weekend. I got home last night, which was Monday night. It was 7:30. It was too late to do a proper video. The sun was going down and I was too curious. I was too impatient to see what was in my boxes. So I went ahead and I just opened them up. I did record me opening them up, but I didn't have time to do a full-fledged video. But I do have my reaction to opening these up for the first time, and I will show that right now. I haven't opened these yet, and it's too late, and I just got home to do an actual proper full-fledged review. So we're just going to do this off the cuff. That is a normal one. The second one here. Oh, baby! Lightning has struck in twice. It has happened again. Oh my God. All right, after seeing that, you will have known I did pull the chase again. I am quite shocked as well. It is number 3,782. Not quite low, not like a number 70, but I have both of them to review, which is cool that I actually pulled the chase again. Lightning has struck in twice. And yeah, so the stock count on this was, I think it was 35,000 for the US. The Porsche was, I think, 50,000. I think 5,000 of those were the chase, 45,000 regular. So you had about a 10% or 1 in 10 chance to pull the chase. This one though, I mean, if they only did 35,000, I doubt it. It's probably 50,000 again, but the other 15,000 were put on the international sites. So, I mean, in theory, this should be a 10%. It should be a 1 in 10, but I don't know. I don't know the normal stock. It was 35,000 in the US. I don't know about internationally. So yeah, I'm going to take a look at them now. As you can see, the packaging is completely different, which is how, you know, if you open the model up, you will see the different colored packaging and you'll know if you got a chase or not. So there's that. There's some stuff on the bottom. They actually shifted all the legal stuff over to accommodate the chase sticker. Very carefully flip these over. These just slide out, by the way. So there's no acrylic case with these castings. There's the literature on the back of the normal version right there. Here's the back, and of course the literature on the back does reflect if you got a chase or not, which is pretty cool. Packaging is quite nice. I like the outer box. The art is really cool. And I'm going to take a look at it. So, new casting, brand new casting, also brand new wheels. We will get to that. This kind of just slips out. This comes up, and you just kind of pull it out here. So here it is. This is the normal version. It is gold. What's the official color? Do they call this gold, or what do they call it? Spectraflame yellow. So it is yellow, which is Spectraflame yellow becomes a gold. Gosh, it's very, very nice. The top is like a metal flake brown too. It's like almost like it's like a two-tone paint, and it looks really sick. It really does. You have the silver trim along the side. You do have the side mirrors, which I believe are separate pieces, which is cool. They got the interior. Oh, you got a little oh, those are the hydraulics. Those are the hydraulic switches in there. Is there any interior detail? Not quite. It looks like it's just a plain brown interior. You have a brand new wheel. So this is a different wheel. Now, I brought out the other two, like, Hot Wheels RLC lowriders we've gotten. The first one we got was the Impala in 2021. There was the pink one. This is the Christmas version. There was a red one, and it was a Nationals dinner car this year. But you can see how this has, like, kind of a smaller lace kind of lowrider wheel. This one actually has a new wheel. So it's like a 5-spoke. Brand new wheel for this casting, which is cool. We then got the Monte Carlo. I believe this came out initially in 2023. It was in antifreeze. This is the second version in like a kind of a blue teal color. And yeah, this looks good. The rear wheels are kind of concealed. Now this does, of course, have adjustable suspension. I will get to that in a bit. La Bamba on the license plate there. You got the headlights. You got the Chevy badge. Also, this sold out like 8 to 9 minutes. It was pretty quick. Got all the front detail. You got the back. You got the taillights. La Bamba on the license plate again. You got Fleetline. I really like this version. I think the gold really pops. And I love the kind of metal flake brown on the top. What do they call it? What color officially? Metallic brown accents? I guess it's metallic brown. That's what they're calling it. And yeah, this does have adjustable suspension, so you can lift it. The rear is a little harder to get to. I really should have brought a tool for this because this is going to be a bit of a pain unless I can grab it. Oh, I can grab it by the tire. That was probably very painful to watch. So you can adjust the suspension, of course, so you can have it like that. You can twist it so you can have it kind of go like that. You can have it you can put this back down, put this all the way up. It can just scrape, or you can have it completely slammed. I love the adjustable suspension. It is really cool. Of course, we got to do it the other way. I think the best way for me to do this is to just grab the tire and yank. It's not the best, but it is a bit hard to get in there because the back wheels are completely covered. So there you go. I mean, in this position, the wheels don't even touch the ground. If you look, it's just the bumper hits first. So I don't think you'd want to do that. But this is really, really, really cool. Really nice release. I love the regular version. It's amazing. This casting is sweet. Base is completely chromed out because I believe it does make up the grille and the bumper. So the bumpers. So they want it to be chrome. Now, the chase, which I do have. I'm very happy to have the chase. Let's take a look at it. So the chase, once again, like the Porsche, goes silver. And we are going to open this up. Thankfully, we just kind of have to take it out. Now, the wheels do change color. So they are silver, and they get a white wall, or a kind of white circle around it, a white wall. This one was not. It was just plain black. This one actually gets a white wall, which is really cool. The top is black. I think it's just flat black. Yeah, it is just flat black there. It gets a silver, I think it's actually a silver plated, it's a chrome plated body. So it's completely chrome, and it is a very bright chrome, similar to the Porsche. It is just says La Bamba again. Interior is blacked out as opposed to being brown. There's the front. So the graphics on this are pretty much the same. It's just that this one is silver. It looks really nice. The chase is cool. I like the chrome with the black roof. It's pretty cool. I gotta say though, looking at these two side by side, I might actually like the regular one a bit more. Looking at them, I think the normal version, the yellow, I think pops more than the chase, and I really like the metal flake brown top. I don't know, I just think to me the regular one pops a bit more. The chase is still really good. So good you can see my reflection in the chrome because it's such a bright chrome. I think that might just be debris. I can probably clean that off on the hood. But yeah, there you go. Those are the Fleetlines, chase and normal. I'm very happy to get this chase. I still like the chase. I think the chase looks really slick. The chrome and the black. I just think the regular one pops really nice. But this is a really good casting. I really dig this casting. It got the chase treatment, and happy to get the chase. It looks really good. Yeah, what do you guys think? Were you able to snag one? Did you get a chase? I'm very happy with this casting. Oh, also this part here on the top is a separate piece. I believe it's metal. Kind of give it that proper kind of look. This is really cool. These are really cool releases, and I'm very happy to have pulled the chase. And yeah, those are the Fleetlines. Pretty sweet.